While buying, can't we go further down and buy to get more profit? Like 37,900 put was 13, we could have gone for 37,200 put, which is lesser. Well, yeah, you can go as long as far away from the market as possible and the premiums will reduce, but you need to understand here a few things. One is, I have kept this 500 point range difference to get 50% of the short premium. But I have also said that as you start approaching the expiry day, the difference will not be 50%. So if you go 500 points away, it will be lesser than 50%. Already we had 1 day of the week missing, and that is why today the premiums dropped. And now, despite falling sharply, now we have actually come to break even kind of a thing. So the farther you go away from your short strike, the incremental gain in profit is very less. So if I check 37,200, that is sitting around 5.85. Okay, so I have shorted at 14 rupees, and this one is, let's say, 6 rupees. So 8 rupees difference is there. So you stand to make 8 rupees more profit, but you go out 700 points. If at all there is some sort of a black swan event and market just falls indiscriminately, you will be losing 1200 points, right? 37,200. So you will be losing 1200 points, and you will be making what? 34 minus 6, 28 points. So 1200 minus 28 will be your loss. Now in my case, it is 500 minus 20. So it is 480. 480 compared to 1180, you just compare what is happening here. So you try to get some incremental profits, but the cost you are bearing for that is, in this case, 700 points. So 700 points for additional 8 rupees profit. Do you really think it is a good deal? I don't think so. Now I know that this strategy has a very big risk when compared to the amount of reward we are getting, but that is the risk I'm ready to take. That is the price I'm ready to pay. All right. If at all something goes horribly wrong, 500 points difference is there into 100, so it's basically 50,000 rupee loss straight away. I can live with that. It's a 25% knock off on my account size. It's a big loss, but it is still manageable. But if you get a 1200 point loss, that is 1,20,000 on a 200,000 account, that is how much? 60%. The more you lose, the more you have to gain to come back to break even. So that is the logic here, why I do not suggest too much of a distance between your short strike and your long strike. So you have to consider that.